Hey guys, it's me Alex from Alex the Geek, and today we're going to be showing you how to screen record on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So when you're playing your games for example like Final Fantasy, and you go up and go to your game launcher, there used to be a screen record option right here, but it's no longer there anymore. So I found an easier way to do it instead of like buying a whole different app. First, go to home, swipe down again, and go to your and swipe, like look through it. And for me, it's right here. And just go to settings. And right here, it's no sound, which is no sound. Media sounds, which is the sound that's coming from your phone or your game or whatever. And media sounds is just media sounds, but with the mic, like you're talking. And for the video quality, it's 1080p, 720p, and 480p. And this is how big or how small you want the selfie video. Yeah, and I just like it large so that people can see my face. Yeah, and if you want it to be, if you want the screen recorder to be like in like here, just scroll down, press on the three dots, go to button order, go to hold screen recorder, and go to the left and put it into the first 6 slots. I'll just put it right here and done. Like now it's right here. And for like the stuff right here is there's like a hub on the top right corner for me. You guys don't see it because I don't know. And this is the pen, and you can like press back, but if there's like multiple stuff that you don't want, like for right now, I don't want all this stuff, just click on the pen again and it'll all go away. And if you want to see yourself, just click on the person and it'll just show what's on the camera. And that's it for today, guys, and I hope this video helped you guys a lot. Please subscribe and like the video, and that's it. Peace.